but we get this beautiful view. Many folks out there dealing with wet weather and terrible conditions. We get this beautiful forecast, low 50s. Cloud cover will start to increase, but very mild. Temperatures are above freezing now in Birmingham and Coleman. More clouds for you, but there are some chilly spots right now. 25 in Pell City, 27 in Gadsden right now. So there is some action on the radar. Want to pinpoint the areas that are a bit messy, more along the lines of Indiana and Ohio, and then central Kentucky will get a little bit rocky, so there could potentially be some travel delays in that area. But as far as us, we do see some light raindrops falling around Florence and Moulton, but we have so much dry air, you can see it just by looking outside, that everything that we see today will be in the form of cloud cover. Nice quick check at the airport status. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up. A lot of people do travel on Christmas, rightfully so. There's no delays from Texas to the Carolinas to Miami. Here's your forecast. We do expect to see the clouds pretty much the main feature in the sky for the afternoon and into tonight too. Wednesday we'll have more sunshine kicking up, but Wednesday night and early Thursday morning, a stronger storm system will develop. A line of showers and storms too. We'll be tracking that. That's going to impact us by Thursday. So until then, the weather actually cooperates. Thursday's your impact day. We do expect to have a few stronger storms on Thursday, but as far as your Christmas forecast, just chilly to start.